Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is Ayush, and now from this video we are going to start to post videos on networking. Okay, like whatever the commands which are used in the networking domain in our Linux operating system, those are the commands which we will learn. So basically we will start with the first command, that is the ping command. Okay, so before starting the ping command, I hope you are aware of basics of networking. If not, then let me tell you about like from scratch. Okay, so these are the computers. First, suppose these are the two computers. Okay, A and B are the two computers and they are connected to each other. So now what happens in this case, they basically form a kind of network. What happens when multiple devices connected to each other? Okay, so that process just called as a networking. Okay, so in the networking domain there are many concepts like what is an IP address, what is a MAC address, different network topologies. Okay, so we don't have to discuss that much thing particularly in this video. So basically you just need about what is an IP address. Okay, so let me tell you about the basics of IP address. That you can think one of an analogy is like what you can say, just like in a family everyone has a separate name. Okay, suppose one name as Ayush, Avinash, Ankita, anything. Okay, they suppose they are the siblings and they know each their names. Okay, so similarly in our network what happens, each device has their own name or their IP address. Okay, so basically an IP address is just an address which identifies a device on a network. Okay, I hope that is clear to you. So what is an IP address? And also there is a concept of MAC address. So MAC address, just you can think like of it as a fingerprint of a person. Suppose a person changes his name or her name, but he can't change their fingerprint. Okay, it will be always same. So that's why MAC address is just like a permanent address that is printed on your NIC card. Okay, in your PC. So now we will start with the ping command. Let me enter the password. I hope the terminal is visible. Let me increase the font size. Okay, so now what is a ping command? So ping command is basically a simple command which you basically use to check whether the our host is reachable or not. Suppose I will enter google.com. so what, google.com is kind of one of the host. Okay, or you can say domain name. So I will try to check whether I'm able to reach there or not. Okay, ping google.com. so here you can see I'm getting multiple requests from them. Now I will just hit Ctrl+C to stop it. Okay, so here you can see this is the 64 bytes packet size. So now what is a packet? Okay, so packet is basically just like a data. You can think of it like a data that transfers. Suppose you send a image, then it gets divided into different small packets or chunks, then it is transferred. So packet is just like a, you can think as a small data. Okay, so basically what happens when you ping and when you use a ping command, so it basically what sends the ICMP echo request, which basically means that is internet control message protocol request. Okay, so ICMP is just one of a protocol that is used by the ping command. Okay, to for that, these are for this purpose, like for receiving or for sending. Like echo request and echo response is one of the thing which comes in this role. Okay, so whenever it sends, that is called as the ICMP echo request, and whenever it receives, that is called as the ICMP echo response. Okay, so there are multiple attributes here. You can see like what is this sequence number, DTL. Okay, so I will cover like most important things. First, this is from, it means it is just, and what you can say, it is just the IP address of this google.com. Okay, so google.com is identified by this IP address, like from where this request is coming, that is 64 bytes is coming from where. So it is coming from this IP address. This is maybe the domain name or something like that, or servers maybe. We don't know about it, what is this. Okay, which domain and from where this is coming, but we know that this is the IP address of this google.com. This is a TTL is nothing but the time to leave. It basically means like how many hops or how many routers this process has covered. Okay, and time is just like how much time it took to get the response or send the response. It basically means what happens the total time. The first, this is our PC, this is google.com. Okay, so it will ask for, are you there, are you alive or not? Google reply, Google will just reply, yes, I am alive. Okay, so this is the total time that is here it is, where it is, here, this one, this is 133 millisecond. Okay, so at what happens at in 1 second there are at least I think 4 to 5 packets or request, 4 to 5 requests are sent. Okay, so ping command we basically use for the like internet connectivity purposes. Further we will check about another command, that is the trace route, ipconfig, ifconfig, sorry. We'll learn about all those things. I hope you liked this video about ping command. Okay, so that's all for today, and we will meet in the next video. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, if you have any query then please ask us in the comment section. So thank you and thank you for watching.